Going on YouTube, I got a surprise for y'all today. I bought the Ultra Racing strut bar for my car. This is how it came packaged. Let's open this bad boy. I got this strut bar. I suppose getting like an eBay one or some other brand, but I heard really good reviews on this Ultra Racing. They have Ultra Racing just about everything for the Hondas. Okay, it looks legit. I mean, maybe it has like a barcode and everything. I guess that's how you could tell if they're legit or not. Like, it has its own serial number and barcode and all that, and you can look it up online to make sure it's legit. Like this. Looks like it ain't that yet. Put this here. Okay, I need one of these bad boys. Alright, so to take it off, all you need is a 17. Take this one off and this one off. These two are holding the strut bar to the car. When you're doing this, don't have the car in the air because the wheels are just gonna be hanging, and that has to be like on a level surface ground. I think for the Ultra Racing strut bar, I'm gonna have to remove these as well, because the other one has like 4 holes holding it down. I could take this one off. Look at the difference. This one opposed to this one. Look how thin this one is. This one's a lot thicker. Let's put this bad boy on. I'm gonna show you how it looks. All right, so I think it definitely fits, but like I said, I'm gonna have to remove this one, and then put it on top of here to hold it down, because for this one, you need this one, this one, this one, this one. So it's 4 points. I should be able to take these off with no problem. Hopefully the coilover doesn't move. Let's find out. To remove these two, you're gonna need a 14 mil. Hopefully coilover doesn't move. It shouldn't, because like I said, as long as your car is on a flat surface, you should be alright. Besides, we're not gonna remove this one. I broke this getting to this bad boy right here. I freaking broke it when I was installing the coilovers. Don't need this anymore. There you go. Are you serious? Come on now. Alright, now we can install it. And it's pretty light too. Moment of truth. See if it fits. And it does. Perfect fit, guys. Make sure you tighten these down pretty good. I'm pretty sure there's like a certain torque spec, but I don't know what it is. And then we tighten it down with this one. Alrighty, all done. This is how it looks, installed and everything. Pretty solid. Got those bad boys installed, the Brembos. And for this specific car, only the front ones are sold for this car. I wish it came with the rear, but they don't. I just replaced the rear ones too, with Bosch rotors and ceramic brake pads. Yeah, that's about it. All right, I'm gonna go drive it around, see how it feels. Like I said, most likely I'm not even gonna feel a difference. The strut bar is mostly for like integrity of the car. You know, it's gonna be stiffer ride. So I mean, with the BC coilovers, I mean it's stupid stiff already. This is supposed to help like with the ride quality and turning and all that. So yeah, I mean, maybe a little bit. Probably feel it. You'll probably feel it better on the turns. So yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I took my car to get dynoed, and I was kind of like pissed off, honestly, like for all the modifications that I did to it. I don't know, the tuner told me that it could be just, you could read different dyno pools on different machines or some bullshit like that, and that his machine was like 10% lower than other ones. So, and that's still cold. And I only did like 275 to the wheels, horsepower, and was it 243 torque. I was really hoping to like push like 300 to the wheels, but I looked it up on forums and other people on YouTube. Those numbers seem about right. Oh shit, yeah, oh my god. Oh, for sure I could, oh my god, I could, what? I could definitely tell a difference. Unless it's just in my head, but holy shit. Like I feel like seriously I could like make like quick adjustments a lot sharper and quicker, and so it's definitely worth it. Oh my god, for 200 bucks, that's what I paid, 200 bucks for the strut bar. I even feel it on the bumps. Like what? Comment below, is it just me, or does a strut bar really help out that much on the suspension, going from stock to something that much thicker, better build quality, better material? That's not me flooring it, by the way. So that's just normal driving. When you floor it, you could definitely hear it. Like, sounds like a beast. I'm gonna try to do it right now so you guys can hear it. And I'm thinking, I don't know, like, I wish other people will comment on my comment section, people that have the same car, almost the same setup. I'm always trying to figure out best way to sound this car without any cats. To me, the best way this car is gonna sound, it's with the cats or high full cats, and delete the resonator and the Borla S-type axle back. When I had it like that with original cats, and I just deleted the resonator, Borla axle back S-type, it sounded fucking nice, even on idle. But as soon as I fuck with I removed the cats, because it has 3 cats, one in the front, one in the back, and then one like in the J-pipe, downpipe. I removed those, and then it sounded like shit, and then I had to buy a dual resonator, RV6 dual resonator. It's a big thumbs up for me, this strut bar from Ultra Racing. Definitely check it out. Like I said, you can get it at ultraracing.com, and then just put your make and model, and then bam, it comes out. Sheesh. Oh my god, it's definitely much better. And it's just a strut bar. I mean, that's the combination of the strut bar, my BC coilovers, like, you know, suspension. I haven't added the camber kit. I haven't added that. I'm gonna need that for the rear, especially for the rear, because my tires in the rear are kind of like, they have a negative camber, and I want to adjust it to, it could be just, you know, right into the center. I don't want it to be negative or positive. I just want it to be dead center. And the reason why I want to do that, yeah, it looks cool like that, but then already this is my second set of tires. Like, you keep running your tires like that with a negative camber, you wear out your tires incorrectly, and it's just a waste of money. Soon I'm gonna get the body kit. I found it on eBay. I suppose you freaking get it off the Honda dealership, the HPF kit, I think it's called, Honda Performance Factory. And the dealership, this is just ridiculous. They want to charge you like $3 grand, $4 grand. It's just, and like another $1,000 just to install it. I found it on eBay for like $1,500. Now I'm just installing my damn self. I want to get that, and then later on get like front splitter, the rear splitter, and then the sides as well. And that's pretty much about it on my car, man. I'm pretty much done with it until I get enough money to save up for a turbo. But I don't know. I really don't know if I want to go with a turbo, go through that route, because once you go forced induction, like you're pretty much risking your car. I mean, the car is not meant to handle that kind of load. I mean, shit, it's already fun. It's fast as shit. Pretty much beat any stock Mustang GT, Charger, Subaru. Stop playing with me. That's just regular drive. You want to get smoke? Bam, put it on sport. Shift yourself. I'm gonna lower the window so you guys can hear this. That's my new ride. I'm gonna do a separate video on the Kia Telluride. I don't know if you guys know this, but this SUV is like the hottest SUV right now that you could get, and we got a pretty good deal on it. They're like going over sticker price. Let me know what else you guys want me to do on the next videos, and I'm also gonna do more videos like doing oil changes. I'm gonna do the radiator flush, new antifreeze and all that on the next video. But yeah, that's about it. Peace.